How can we minimize or prevent the harmful effects of air pollution on animals?
Hello, and welcome. Today, we're going to be discussing a topic that's crucial for the survival of our diverse animal populations: reducing the harmful effects of air pollution on animals. Air pollution doesn't just impact human health and the environment, it also poses a significant threat to our animal friends. It's high time we take proactive steps to shield them from the damaging impacts of air pollution.
How does air pollution affect animals?
Air pollution affects animals in much the same way it affects humans. It can cause a range of health issues such as respiratory disorders, reduced immunity, and, in severe cases, premature death. Also, some specific pollutants, like acid rain, can destroy habitats and food sources, directly threatening animal survival.
What can we do to minimize the impact of air pollution on animals?
The good news is, there are various ways we can help protect animals from air pollution. Subsection 2.1. Reducing pollutant emissions. One of the most impactful things we can do is reduce our own pollutant emissions. This includes reducing fossil fuel consumption by using renewable energy sources, utilizing public transportation, cycling, or walking whenever possible. Subsection 2.2. Cleaning up our environment. Keeping our environments clean, especially wildlife habitats, is another critical step. Proper disposal of waste can prevent it from being burned and releasing harmful pollutants. Subsection 2.3. Planting more trees. Trees act as natural air filters. By planting more trees and creating green spaces, we not only improve air quality but also create healthier habitats for animals. Subsection 2.4. Advocacy and legislation. Finally, we can make a difference by advocating for stricter pollution control laws and supporting organizations that work towards animal and environmental conservation. Raising awareness and staying informed can have a significant impact.
What are the long-term solutions?
While the steps above are effective, they're only part of the solution. In the long run, we need systemic change. This includes transitioning to sustainable energy sources, implementing cleaner industrial processes, and developing greener, more sustainable agricultural practices. In conclusion, the effects of air pollution on animals are dire, but not irreversible. Every action we take to reduce air pollution helps, from changing our daily habits to advocating for larger systemic changes. Let's work together to protect the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Remember, their survival is our survival. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about this vital issue. Together, we can make a difference.